Working on the blown gas 598 for the Honda V-Drive. Got the rotors all cleaned up. End clearances have been machined. 24 thou on the rear, 12 on the front for gasoline use. Gears were shot. So we get some new bearings, some new gears. Should run low on oil at some point. A lot of heat damage on these gears. So we got a new gear set. We're just pulling Teflons right now. Some clown keyboard YouTube warrior said I couldn't rebuild this thing. So we're pulling Teflons today. We'll pull a strip here in a sec. Trim them to length after. Once this is done, I just got to set the timing and she'll be a blower again. These in some hot water. And that's how that goes. We'll let them shrink back from pulling on them. Then I'll trim them to length, lightly stake them in the rotor. And there, that rotor's been all the valley strips have been replaced in that rotor.